well. I mean, just been in there, and I'll tell you now, I said this to obviously David and one of the guys who was running it. It's like a sensory room for adults, because, you know, sensory room where there's all these colours, but it's like, you know, in nature as well. And, I don't have to put it into words right now, because I mean, I would say it was like two of my favourite Black Mirror episodes combined, like White Christmas and Hated in the Nation. You know, the drone, the like cafe bit where there's like, you know, looks like a winter wonderland in a way, and we saw some Christmas trees as well, actually, believe it or not. And I was like, ooh, so, and I was like, how do they actually plant them, or how they grow? Because they might be useful rather than having to, you know, buy one or get the plastic ones, which aren't that great for the environment. They look nice, but, you know, environment wise. But yeah, I mean, we were flying the drone, and I was like, no drone, no, you can't take them with you. They have to stay here, you know. We can't cut them down. Oh, that'd be fun though, but, you know, maybe if we had like a, you know, big van or something, I'd just take one home. They'll probably get a sense of, you know, like, you know, things are beautiful, even if you, you know, like you're having a bad day or something, or, you know, life's been testing you, or, you know, people were giving you grief and all that. Maybe, you know, check it out, you know, just lose yourself out here. There's hardly any people. It's like Recep Lido. Hardly, I mean, when I say Recep Lido, I mean, there are more people there, but obviously the more deep in the woods you get, they're less. But here, because it's right out in, you know, out of the town, get less people in these parts. So yeah, check it out, you know. And on that note, peace out. Bye-bye. Right, don't forget to like. Oh yeah, and remember, subscribe. Peace out.